Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be solving annual examination maths paper class 8 step by step. I will explain each question in detail so that you can understand how to answer them correctly. Make sure to watch the video till end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. District Education Office ES and HS District Hyderabad. Local Annual Examination 2024-25 Paper Mathematics Class 8 Maximum Marks 100. Part 1. Question number 1. Choose the correct answer of the given MCQs. Number 1 is number of all subset of A is equal to curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first option is 8, B option is 16, C option is 32 and option D is 64. So right answer is 64. Not 64. Why? You know the formula of subset is 2 power n. So 2 and n means number of members. So how many members in this set? 5 members. It means 2 multiply 5 times. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So right answer is 32. So this is the formula of subset. Number 2, if A is equal to in curly bracket 3, 4, 5 curly bracket over, then proper subset of A is up. Now proper subset is, you know what's the proper subset of in option A 3, 4, in option B 3, 5, in option C 3, 4, 5. So right answer is C, because C is same set of question set, A set. That's why C is right answer and this is the proper subset of A set. Reading the next question. Number 3. Rate of zakat. You know what's the rate of zakat? Option A 3.5%, option B 10%, option C 2.5%, option D is 5%. So we know that right answer is C 2.5%. Number 4. Which solution of x plus y is equal plus 6 is equal to 0 is? In option A, first I explain this equation. You know x plus y is equal to minus 6. If x value is 2 and y's value is 1 equal to not is equal to minus 6, because plus 6 in left side minus 6 and 4 plus 6 is equal not is equal to minus 6. That's why this is the not correct answer. In C 4 comma minus 2, 4 comma minus 2 means 4 minus 2 is equal to positive 2, and in D option 4 comma 2, 4 comma 2, 4 plus 2 is equal to positive 6, not negative 6. So this question is wrong, because in this question's option haven't answer of this equation. Now next question is next MCQ number 5. Cos 30 degree is equal to blank. In option A 2, in option B 1 upon under root 2, in option C under root 3 upon 2, in option D under root 3. So right answer is under root 3 upon 2. Cos 30's value is under root 3 upon 2. Number 6. In ax square plus bx plus c, number of variables are in option A 0, in option B 3, in option C 2, in option D is 1. We know x is variable, ABC is constant numbers. That's why in this equation we have only one variable. So option D is right answer 1. Number 7. M square minus n square is equal to blank. Option A is m plus n whole square. Option B m square plus 2mn plus n square. Option C m square minus n square whole square. In option D, first bracket m plus n and last bracket is m minus n. We know the formula of a square minus b square, like this, m square minus n square. So right option is D option. You can see here we have two brackets, positive and negative. That's why this is the right answer. Number 8. 3 upon 5 whole square is equal to blank. In option A 9 upon 5. In option B 3 upon 25. In option C 9 upon 25. In option D none of these. We know that 3 square is equal to 9 and 5 square is equal to 25. So right answer is C, 9 upon 25. Our next MCQ, number 9. If mean is equal to 6 and member of x is equal to 18, then n is equal to. You can see here this question is not right. That's why this question is not right. In this question have no answer. Okay. Number 10. In compound fraction, the value of pi is. Compound fraction, value of pi. A option is 3 whole 1 upon 7, 3 whole 2 upon 7. Option C 3 whole 3 upon 7. In option D 3 whole 4 upon 7. We know the value of pi is 22 upon 7. That's why option A is right answer. 3 whole 1 upon 7. So 3 7s are 21 plus 1 22. 22 upon 7. So in compound fraction, A option is right answer. Number 11. Square root x upon y is equal to blank question mark. In option A, x upon y. In option B, square root y upon x. In option C, root x upon root y. In option D, none of these. So we can see here in root x upon y and in option C under root x upon under root y. So option C is right, because in B y upon x is not right and x upon y, and so C option is right answer. Number 12. Convert 111 base 2 into the decimal system. Number A 6, number B 7, number C 8, number D 5. We know that how can we convert binary system into decimal system? We have 3 times 1 multiplied by 2, because binary system powers of 2. You can see here 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4, plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 4, plus 2 is equal to 6, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So right answer is B option. B. In question number 13, first bracket under root P plus Q and second bracket under root P minus Q. So right answer in option A, P square minus Q square. We know that minus square formula have two brackets, positive and negative. In option B, P square plus Q. In option C, P minus Q square. In option D, P minus Q. You can see here P in under root. That's why the right option is C option, because in square we cancel root and Q square. C is the right answer of this MCQ. Now 14. The tax imposed in income is called A. Usher, B. Jazia, C. Income tax, D. Property tax. So we know that tax on income, that's why right answer is income tax. Number 15. 101 base 2 plus 111 base 2 is equal to blank. In option A, 1100 base 2. In option B, 110 base 2. In option C, 11,000 base 2 in binary system. In option D, 1000 base 2. We know 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, but this is binary system. You can see here 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. 0 here, 1 carry. 1 plus 1 and this 0 is equal to 10. 0, 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is equal to 10 plus 1 is equal to 11 in binary system. So right answer is 1100 base 2. So our option A is right answer. Number 16. In root 3 square into 2 square is equal to blank. Option A 4, option B 6, option C 8 and option D is 9. So 3 2s are 6. Square cancel with root. Our answer is 6. Right option is B. In B option we have 6. That's why B option is right answer. Number 17. The concession on the written price is called A. Tax, B. Profit, C. Discount and D. Loss. We know that concession means discount. So right answer is C option, discount. In 18. Cube root 125, we know that 125's cube root is 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. So right option is C. Number 19. Solution of the system x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1 is blank. So in option A, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and 2 minus 3 is equal to 1. That's why this option is not right. And in B option, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 3 minus 2 is equal to positive 1. So this is the right answer. Option B in bracket 3 comma 2 is right answer. Number 20. Root 0.04. We know that 2 multiplied 2 is equal to 4. In decimal, we know that after points multiplication we get after point 2 digits. That's why we can see here in option 2.02, in option B 2.0, in option C 0.2 In option D, none of these. So C option is right answer because 0.2 multiplied with 0.2 is equal to 0.04. That's it for today's video. I hope the explanation helped you understand how to solve the exam paper of MCQs. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For more educational videos, see you in the next video. Thank you.